In today's video, I'll guide you through an exclusive promo code made specifically for high rollers and VIP users. With this special code, you'll be able to unlock daily rewards up to $100 for the next 3 months, along with access to private bonuses, cashback offers, and exclusive events that regular players can't get. To get this bonus, click the link in pinned comment. Then click register instantly, and in the promo code field, enter Razor. You can sign up using available social media options or simply click continue. If you already have an account, click the person icon in the top right corner. Then go to settings, select offers, and in the code field, enter code Razor. Then click submit.